Go.
Morning again, everyone. Sorry for the inconvenience. My name is Miguel Luna, and this is my advocacy in literal version, titled Stand for Integrity, Say No to Corruption. Corruption destroys trust and fairness in our society. As young citizens, we must promote honesty and responsibility in all our actions. Every small act of truthfulness can create a ripple of change. We believe that integrity starts within ourselves and spreads to others. Together, let's build a future. Together, let's build a future where justice and honesty always will. Thank you. And again, this is my advocacy in figurative version. Corruption is a storm that darkens the skies of our nation. But our integrity is the light that breaks through. Each truth we speak is a spark that sets fire to this honesty. We are the new generation. Each truth we speak is a spark that sets fire to this honesty. We are the new generation, the guardians of fairness and hope. Let our voices roar like thunder against lies and greed. Together we can make a dawn. Let's make a dawn of a cleaner and better tomorrow. Again, this is my campaign in literal version entitled Say No to Corruption, Break the Chain of Youth Rise, Say No. Good morning, everyone. This is my campaign in literal version entitled Youth Rise, Break the Chain of Corruption. Our campaign empowers students to become advocates of honesty and transparency. Through seminars, posters, and social media drives, we encourage everyone to say no to bribery and cheating. We aim the youth, and we aim to remind the youth that integrity is a sign of strength, not weakness. Every honest action, big or small, helps build a trustworthy nation. Let's unite to break the chain of corruption, starting within ourselves. Thank you. This is my figurative version in my campaign about Youth Rise, say, break the chain of corruption. Join the movement that turns into whisper of truth into a roar of change. We are the torch bearers, lighting the path through corruption's darkness. Each post, word, and act of honesty is a spark that ignites transformation. The youth spirit is a storm that washes away. The youth spirit is a storm that washes away the stain of the sea. Together, we are the heartbeat of together we are the heartbeat of a nation that we're born into. Thank you.